Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to get magnesium from food. Magnesium is a vital mineral supporting hundreds of bodily functions, from muscle and nerve function to blood sugar control and blood pressure regulation. Many people don't consume enough of it, so understanding which foods are rich in magnesium is key. We'll explore various food groups and practical ways to integrate them into your daily meals, helping you meet your nutritional needs naturally and effectively. Dark leafy greens are powerhouses of magnesium. Think about adding spinach, kale, or Swiss chard to your salads, smoothies, or stir-fries. Just 1 cup of cooked spinach can offer around 157 milligrams, which is a significant portion of your daily requirement. Don't forget other vegetables like broccoli and fruits such as avocados and bananas, which also contribute valuable amounts of this essential mineral to your diet. Nuts, seeds, and legumes are excellent and versatile sources of magnesium. A handful of almonds, cashews, or peanuts makes for a perfect snack. For instance, a 1-ounce serving of almonds provides approximately 80 milligrams of magnesium. You can also sprinkle flax seeds or chia seeds over your yogurt or oatmeal, and add black beans or lentils to soups and stews for an easy and delicious way to increase your intake. Finally, don't overlook whole grains and other delightful sources. Opt for brown rice instead of white, enjoy oatmeal for breakfast, or choose whole wheat bread. A single cup of cooked brown rice can provide around 86 milligrams of magnesium. And for a treat, dark chocolate with 70% cocoa or higher is surprisingly rich in magnesium, offering about 64 milligrams per 1-ounce serving. Enjoy these diverse foods to ensure a steady supply of this crucial nutrient.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.